Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix login errors on Zelle. So let's get started. Before anything else, make sure there isn't any issue with your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile data or do the opposite. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause login errors. Next thing is fixing the app itself. Open up Settings. Inside here, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, search for Zelle and then tap onto it. Now tap on Offload app, then tap on Offload app again. This refreshes app data without deleting your account. After that, verify your login credential. You have to make sure your number or email linked to Zelle account is entered correctly. Double check the verification code once you receive, and if it's expired or incorrect, login will fail. Hopefully, one of these steps helps you fix login error on Zelle. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.